Ever seen a wild cat that looks like a shadow with spots? Meet the Black Serval Cat, rare, mysterious, and stunning. It's like nature painted a serval in midnight colors. The black serval is a rare color variation of the regular serval, usually golden with black spots. But this version has something called melanism, making its fur dark and shiny, with ghost-like spots you can only see in the light. Found mostly in East Africa, especially Kenya, this cat has long legs, huge ears, and incredible hearing. It's a silent hunter, catching birds, rodents, and even frogs. With its sleek, panther-like look and secretive nature, the black serval is truly one of Africa's most magical wildcats.